All right, baby doll, what are we doing now?
This is my
Why are you laughing?
Because this is my own contraption. I'm making baba ganoush alla Maddalena.
All righty.
Okay? Totally different from the regular recipes, but this is my way. So I wash my 2 eggplants. Now I'm going to roast them in the oven. So I take the head off. Okay. You know me, I'm not great with a big knife.
Oh, believe me when I tell you. It looks scary when you use a knife.
I know. So we're going to cut them down the middle, okay? And we're going to make slits in them. Okay?
What are you making in them?
Slits.
Okay.
I didn't say that wrong.
I didn't say that you did. I'm just asking.
But look. See that?
Let me see your apron. And what family talk and taste? What's going to be on there?
The recipe.
I see.
And this is from our friend Yulia from the UK. Hi, Yulia. Okay.
All right, so we're making slits.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to put them in our pan. Now, you need a lot of olive oil for this, okay? We're going to drizzle. We're going to cover the olive oil, okay? We're going to do salt and pepper to taste, as always. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay? So now to roast these, we're going to flip them like this, okay? Make sure they got all olive oil so they don't stick, okay? And we're going to bake these in the oven at 375 till they're soft. All ovens vary, probably about 40 minutes to an hour. Okay, I'll let you know how long I did them.
Let's see who this pan in the butt is on the phone.
We'll be back.
All right, baby doll, what's crazy? That mommy forgot the ingredients?
I'm sorry, I put those in the oven.
I didn't want to say nothing while I was filming,
Should
but...
have reminded me. So we got butter, we got fresh parsley, we got mascarpone cheese, we got macadamia nuts, we got fresh garlic, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, and shredded mutts.
All right, where are we going next?
Next, we're going to the stove.
All right, we'll see you by the stove, guys. All right, baby doll.
Okay, so I'm heating up my butter and just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, because we don't want our butter to burn.
See?
The motto taught me that. Okay, and now I got my sliced garlic. We just want to soften the garlic up. Okay?
All right.
So we're going to saute the garlic, and as soon as that's softened, we'll be back.
As soon as it's what?
Softened.
Softened. All right, we'll be right back, guys. All right, baby doll, what are we doing now?
All right.
Stop making mommy laugh.
You smell the aroma?
Oh, yeah. Oh, is that what that is, aroma?
Aroma. And now I'm going to put my macadamia nuts. I crushed them. We want to toast those a little bit, okay?
Oh, toasty, toasty, toasty. Oh, now I could smell that. Oh, yeah.
And this is my creation, and it's delicious.
It's your creation, and it's delicious. So why are you asking me what should you do?
No, because I haven't made this in a while, so I was asking you, did I do this first or that first? Sometimes you forget.
I definitely forget.
Garlic and macadamia.
All right, guys, we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, baby doll.
I had an itch on my neck. Okay, so now I'm going to scoop this eggplant right out. It's nice and soft.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Eggplant's good. Every culture makes
eggplant.
Every culture makes eggplant.
Delicious. All right, so let me scoop all these out and we'll come right back.
All right, we'll be back. All right, baby doll, what are you doing now?
Okay, so I'm adding my mascarpone.
Mascarpone.
Okay.
That smells good.
Let me tell, I should rephrase this. This is my baba ganoush dip because I'm going to bake this in the oven.
Ooh.
And it's going to be a delicious, delicious dip.
Sounds very different.
Very different.
All right, so we're going to just heat that through?
We're going to heat that through, and then we're going to mix everything together. And we'll be right back.
All right, guys. See, my son is making fun of his mother. That's why we keep laughing. We'll be right back, guys. I'm ready, baby doll.
Okay, so see, we squished our eggplant.
What did we do to the eggplant?
We squished it.
We squished it.
Well, we took it out, the skin off, okay? Look at that, creamy-licious, okay? There's so many things you could do with eggplant. I would eat the eggplant just like that.
You did while you were scooping it.
I was, but you could eat it just like that. Now I'm gonna get a little dish to put this in, and I'm gonna show you what we do.
Right, baby doll, what are we doing now?
Okay, so we're just adding a little more salt and pepper to taste, okay? And now I put melted butter in my dish, okay? Now I'm gonna pour it in here.
Oh, so we're gonna be able to eat it right out of that dish.
Yeah, it's gonna be a dippy dip.
I'll tell you, dippy dip.
Dippity doo dah. I make a great spinach dip too. I'm gonna show you how I do that one day. Okay, so we spread it out like that. And then what's better than fresh shredded mozz on top?
Why you gotta say mozz? Fresh shredded mozzarella.
Mozzarella. And listen, we're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes till it's bubbly. I'll let you know how long it takes.
In that oven. Oh God,
right,
we've got another couple of weeks over here and we're out.
All right.
I can't wait. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, baby doll, what are you doing now?
Look at my dip. Doesn't that look beautiful?
Don't get burnt.
No. So the only thing I'm doing now is sprinkling some fresh parsley on top because we just love fresh parsley. Everybody knows that. And now my love is going to taste it.
No, you taste it.
You want me to taste it?
Yeah, you taste it.
Okay. Ooh, hot bread.
Just so you guys know, we're doing a live right now and we're also finishing this video.
Okay. Mamma mia. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
This is baba ganoush alla Maddalena.
Baba ganoush alla Maddalena. That's got to be hot, man.
Oh, my God.
Tasty? Whose idea was to put mascarpone in there?
Yours. But, listen, I've done it with cream cheese before. He said, let's do it with mascarpone. You got to take a bite.
All right, guys. We'll be back next time with more recipes. Don't forget Family Talk and Taste and follow us on all of our social media. Everything's in the link tree. We love you guys. Buonasera, buonanotte, ciao, e buona festa.
But you're still on live.
And we're still on live.